Hey guys, happy Friday. Just so you guys know, no class on Monday. Okay, that's Martin Luther King Day. There will not be any class on Monday. Tuesday group, we're going to meet on Tuesday and then again on Thursday unless something changes. So just expect to meet twice. Second period, we're going to meet on Wednesday. We're going to meet once. Okay, and again, unless something changes. This week, with it being a short week, we're not going over very much. We're going to go over the state executive branch and the little letter to the the hospital. Okay, that stuff you don't need to do. The state executive branch we're going to go over in class, so you don't need to do that on your own. And then we will start the letter as well. So you'll have a bunch of time to make stuff up at the same time. Okay, so don't be too concerned. But the quarter ends on Friday. All right, so anything that you don't have turned in yet, get to me. If you have a question about if you can turn something in or what you're missing, email me. That's what I'm here for. Okay, but remember, no class on Monday. Tuesday, we're still meeting Tuesday, and then I'll update you if something changes. Quarter ends on Friday. Get your work in. Most of you have done a good job, so keep that up. Okay, have a nice weekend, and I'll see you guys next week.